posted one trade today on TradingView, but wanted to post another one here. Don't want to give away all of today's profits, so we're just in two micros on the ES. And let me walk you through why we are in this trade real quick. Okay, so first off, we have a red background. The Maverick AI Pro gives us a red background telling us our trend. We're already bearish. Then we have this down confidence arrow right here, and look what happened. I waited for confirmation, but we broke below the Maverick guide. See this blue line right here? This is the Maverick guide. When you're below the Maverick guide, you go short, okay? When you're above the Maverick guide, we go long. You go short when you're below it. You go long when you break above it. You go short when you're below it. Short when you're below it. Long when you're above it. Look how it just respects this blue line, this Maverick guide. It's absolutely fantastic, okay? So the Maverick AI Pro colors your background, gives you all these confidence arrows to let you know, heads up, you're moving in the right direction. You have the Maverick guide, the blue line. Again, when we're above it, we go long. When we're below it, we go short. It also colors your candles to tell you what's going on in the background. Have you ever looked at a candle and you just weren't sure what was the true strength? What was the true momentum? How much energy was behind it? Well, bright green candles are your strongest upside candle, and look what happened. Pink is your strongest downside candle. We have a saying, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. I don't need a ton of indicators on my screen to see hot pink candles below the blue line, red background. I'm in, okay? Now, so why are we in this trade? Okay, this is, you're probably wondering what this box is. This is the orb box. This is an indicator I'm going to be giving for free to our lifetime members coming up here soon. We just need to get it straightened out on TradingView. It's already going to be available on NinjaTrader, so I just want to get both straightened out. So we broke below the blue line, which is our Maverick guide. We go short when we're below it. We go long when we're above it. We got these down confidence arrows. We went from gray candles, which is indecision or reversal, but indecision here, to red, to pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Folks, I'm only in two micros and I'm up about $300. It's only paying $1.25 a tick. I'm up almost $300. This would be if these were regular ES minis, I'd be up almost $3,000, okay? But I don't want to give away my profit for today, so I'm just risking a small amount because I saw a nice trade. All right, so red background, hot pink candles, we're below the Maverick guide, easy. My Maverick trender is pegged to the top. It is pegged to the top. And look, it's been pegged to the top since right about here. It totally told you to get into this trade. The flat tops is what we pay attention to, okay? So when your Maverick trender is pegged to the top, that is showing strength and momentum, strength and momentum, strength and momentum, strength and momentum. And it's also labeling a downtrend. So you don't even have to look any further. Your Maverick trender is pegged to the top. It's showing you a downtrend. And if you would have just grabbed from the top of here, 68.39 down to here, 68.39. So that's a $38 move. You know how much that is on a regular contract? Again, we're trading micros right now because we've already made our profit for the day. But what I say, $38 times $12.50. That's a $1,900 move that the Maverick trender clued you in on. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay. So we have a red background, hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Look at this. Okay. We're below the blue line, which is our Maverick guide. That is our line in the sand. Okay. We go long when we're above it. We go short when we're below the blue line. Our Maverick trender is pegged to the top. We have a downtrend label. And then on top of that, my Maverick Multi-X. Think of this as 5 traders, all with it's this indicator down here. These 5 traders, T1 through T5 is a different trader, and they all have a different style, a different preference, different biases, different trading styles. Well, they're all casting a vote across 6 time frames. I have this set at the 1 minute, the 3, the 5, the 10, the 15, and the 60 minute. You can set it for another time frame, a 7 time frame, and you can set it for a higher higher time frame. So you can set this for a 30 minute, a 60 minute, a 90 minute, 120 minute, a 4 hour, whatever you want to do. And 5 traders across 6 time frames, for the most part, we always have this holdout. Trader 2 is a bullish trader. But for the most part, 29 out of 30 votes, Trader 1 through Trader 5 across 6 time frames are voting bearish. And look at it sink. Okay, look at it sink, folks. We're only in 2 micros. We're only making $1.25 per tick. Okay, so instead of having 6 charts on your screen and trying to make sense of all of it, most people can't even trade 1 chart. Why not have in a nice, neat little box at the bottom of your screen 5 traders that you're trading with? This is called trading with training wheels. Why wouldn't you have 5 expert traders trading with you and voting on 6 time frames to tell you 1 minute chart, T1 through T5, Trader 1 through Trader 5, they're all bearish. The 3 minute chart, they're all bearish. The 5 minute chart, they're all voting bearish, and they all have a different trading style and whatnot. Okay, so let's run through it one last time. We're below the blue line. We go short when we're below the blue line. Okay, we go long when we're above it. This is a huge move. I just have it. Look at this. When we're above the blue line, we go long. When we're below the blue line, we go short, okay? And look at how it just respects the blue line, and we keep flushing down. And by the way, you get a nice sell signal here on the Maverick buy-sell beta. Nice buy signal here too. Look at this. This is an indicator that's free for our lifetime members. If you would have just caught this sucker here, boom, huge flush down, and then grabbed it on the bottom for the buy signal, and it flushed. I mean, it's just unbelievable. The only way you can get that indicator is being a lifetime member. All right, so we're below the blue line, which is our Maverick guide. Okay, getting a little retracement, that's okay. Below the blue line, which is our Maverick guide, we have hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Our Maverick trender is pegged to the top. We have a downtrend label, and our 5 expert traders, T1 through T5, they're all voting bearish for the most part across 6 time frames. That is why we're in a short. That is why we're rocking down here. And I'm going to expect a little bit of retracement right here. Okay, but that's okay. That's natural. We just had so many down candles. We're going to take a little retracement. And then as long as we have hot pink candles and we're still below our blue line, our Maverick guide, we'll stay in it and we'll continue down. Okay, so guys, this is how you have clear vision on your charts. This is how you take out the guesswork and let the indicators guide you. If you want clear vision on your charts, if you want edge in the market, if you want the indicators I wish I had when I first started trading, and it would have absolutely saved me some pain, come check us out, MaverickIndicators.com. And don't take my word for it, not financial advice. Do your own research. Come read what our review, come read the reviews from our traders. We have so many traders that are crushing it. It's unbelievable. I'm actually jealous of some of them. Some of them are crushing it right out of the box. This is available on NinjaTrader and TradingView. And right now, if you buy a lifetime license, we give you a license for both, as well as it's 60-something% off. And we're throwing in the Maverick Trender for free, which I will never trade without. The only way you can get this indicator is being a lifetime member. And again, my lifetime members, I'm going to drop about 2 more indicators on you guys for free around Black Friday. Okay, one of them is going to be the orb, and this indicator is sick. So anyway, come check us out, do your own research, come read the reviews and watch more than one video, educate yourself, and see if it's right for you. We would love to help you crush it. All right, that's MaverickIndicators.com, MaverickIndicators.com.